Have you ever woken up from a dream that was completely dark and felt a little unsettled? What if I told you that dream wasn't just random, but was actually a message from your own mind? Welcome to the world of dream decoding, where we uncover what your subconscious is trying to tell you. Today, we're talking about one of the most common dream symbols, darkness. So, what does it mean when your dream world is shrouded in darkness? It all comes down to a simple concept: awareness. Think about it. In your waking life, light allows you to see your surroundings, to be aware of what's happening. In the dream world, it's the exact same principle, but it reflects the awareness within your mind. The more light you see in a dream, the more aware you are of the message it's trying to convey. A bright, vibrant dreamscape means you pretty in tune with your inner self and the situations in your waking life. Things are clear, and you can easily connect the dots between your dream and your reality. It's like your mind is shining a spotlight on something important for you to understand. On the flip side, darkness represents unawareness. It symbolizes the parts of your mind or your life that you're not fully conscious of. It's the stuff lurking in your mental blind spots. Now, this doesn't automatically mean something scary is going on. Darkness in a dream is simply a reflection of a lack of clarity or understanding. However, for many people, darkness can trigger fear. And that makes perfect sense, right? We're often afraid of what we don't know or can't see. So, if you're someone who experiences a lot of fear or anxiety in your daily life, it's more likely that a dark dream will feel frightening to you. The dream isn't creating the fear. It's just reflecting the fear that's already there, stemming from a lack of awareness about a certain issue. The dream is your mind's way of saying, hey, there's something over here you need to look at, something you're currently in the dark about. So the next time you dream of darkness, don't panic. Instead, ask yourself, what am I not seeing clearly in my life right now? What am I unaware of? Your dream is a powerful tool for self-discovery, pointing you toward areas where you can grow in awareness. Ready to dive deeper and get true clarity on what your dreams are really telling you? You don't have to do it alone. Use the Chitta Dream Decoder to understand any dream with 100% accuracy. It's time to bring your own light into the darkness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more dream insights.